Well, guys, I finished the stain on the building. It ended up taking me 3 days to complete the job. I probably could have got it done in a day if I used a sprayer, but I applied that stain with a brush, and cutting in around the eaves and so forth took longer than I hoped. As usual, this whole project has taken longer than I hoped, but still, it's been a lot of fun. I ended up putting on the Cabot Australian Timber Oil stain, which is a triple oil formula. Went on real thick, only required one coat. The color is called Mahogany Flame, and it looks great. I'm really excited about it. Once I get my door up and my windows, I'm going to paint those frames and the door itself and the windows, etc. Probably with a color of some sort to pop out of this stain. Anyway, that's going to come in the next couple of videos. I'm done basically with the exterior of the building, which is great. Feels real good to be completed. We had a beautiful day today. The past week has been really nice. Tomorrow, clouds in the forecast, but no rain. But day after that, the rain starts again. So really happy I got this staining done. Today is Sunday. I'm going to go ahead now and start to clean up my job site. I did not end up using all of the wood. I've got a little bit left to store for future projects. I did not waste a lot of wood either, which was great. So I have a small pile of, cutoffs and so forth that aren't salvageable, and I'll end up burning those. All right. Well, guys, the rain is here, and it looks like it's here to stay, at least for the next week or so. I was happy to have those few days of sunshine to finish up the stain on the building. That was great. But now it's raining, and I'm confined to the inside of the building to work on projects here. So today I'm going to finish installing the hurricane straps on the joists, the roof joists. I've got about a dozen up that I put up about 3 weeks ago. We get some pretty strong wind here on the southern coast of Oregon, especially during the winter months. In fact, we've had up to 100-mile-an-hour winds hit the coast here in southern Oregon. So we're about 3 miles in from the coast, but regardless, it can still get pretty windy here during the winter. And I want to make sure that roof is perfectly secured to the building. So I'm going to install these straps on each of the rafter, or each of the joists. So I also, a couple of days ago, was able to pull the wood stove out of the house that we're going to demolish and drag it out here to the shop. That thing weighs about 300 pounds. That was quite an interesting project to get it from the house actually out here to the shop. I borrowed a commercial dolly from a friend of mine, and I was able to maneuver that stove out of the dolly and pull it over the stone driveway and get it out here. It was a circus of sorts. I wish I would have filmed it, but regardless, it's in here. And I'm glad to have that here. It doesn't get that cold here on the southern coast of Oregon during the winter, but occasionally we do have those mornings where the temperatures will drop into the 30s. And in the shop, because it's not insulated, it can get pretty chilly in here during the morning time. So that'll be nice to have in the event I want to spend some time on a chilly day working on projects in the shop. I can ignite that stove and that thing will heat this place up in no time. So anyway, my next project is to remove those asbestos tiles out of those 2 bedrooms in the house. I need to do that before I can obtain the permit to demolish that house. So I hope to do that next week. This weekend is Christmas, so Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays to everyone. Hope to get that done, as I mentioned, next week, and then we'll be in good shape to obtain the permit to finally get that house demolished. That'll be real nice. So, quick video today. I appreciate you guys watching. Please subscribe if you haven't. We post a new video every Sunday. Although, hit that notification bell in the event that we post a video that you didn't expect. You'll get notified that we posted that. As the channel grows, we may increase the frequency of posting videos. Who knows? We're still having fun with it, and you know, it's a work in progress. Regardless, we appreciate you guys watching, and let us know in the comments how you're enjoying the channel, and we'll look forward to seeing you in the next video.